Wait. Put the scissors down. That's not safe for kids. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Life with the Lashleys. So we're back with another video. Today, Omari wanted to... Nope.
My toy.
Omari kept asking me, what's inside of his squishy toys? So today, we decided to cut them open. Omari, you ready to see what's inside of these? Where your sister at?
The sister's upstairs.
You see, y'all see Corey over there in the kitchen doing what he do. What? You can't. I can't. What you cooking tonight, babe?
Nothing.
Where your sister, Jada? Come down here and be with the family. We doing a video with Omari. You excited, Papa?
Yeah.
You ready to cut it open, Papa?
Yeah.
Look who decided to join her family. What was you up there doing? TikTok videos? Oh my gosh. Come on, you gonna help your brother?
What are we doing?
We are going to cut open one of these squishy toys. Omari, which toy do you want to cut open?
This toy.
The Iron Man?
Yeah.
All right, so first, wait a minute. Lay it down. Lay it on the table. Which part do you want to cut open?
This part.
His arm?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Jada, you gotta help him.
Right here?
Hold his hand. Yeah, you gotta go over there with him.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Hold it. Hold the scissors. You gotta cut it. Open it.
Pull it closer to him.
Oh,
OMG, what is that?
ew.
Is it slime?
That's not no slime now.
Let's see. What is it? Yeah.
That's slime?
That's what's inside of Iron Man?
Ew.
What is that?
Now let's cut another one.
Wait. Put the scissors down. That's not safe for kids. Open.
Yeah.
Omari, are you sure you want to cut through it open and see what's on the inside?
Yes.
Let me see what it look like before you cut it. Squeeze it. Hold on.
Oh, squeeze it.
Oh, wow. Squeeze it again. Okay. So, oh my gosh. Chef, it's going down over there.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Hold the scissors. Where you want to cut them at?
Right here.
Throw it in the
hammer.
grill.
Yeah.
Okay, hold it.
Okay.
So do you did a lot of freshmen?
Okay. Hold on. Hold it this way.
Time out. Look, I didn't mean to say it like
Okay, you want to cut it? Yeah, right here?
Yeah.
Wow.
Whoa, what is that?
You want to squeeze it out?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
it got something in it.
What are those? Is it lightning?
Yeah.
Lightning bolt.
Look.
Yeah, throw it for the lightning bolts.
Yeah.
Just squeeze some more. Do not get it on me.
Ew. The hammer.
The hammer had one in it too.
Yeah. I think it's out. Play.
Wow.
Oh, the hammer has one too.
Okay, no.
Really?
What?
Throw them away.
Ew.
Don't leave them here. We can wash them.
Are you excited to see what was inside?
Yeah.
Is it squishy?
Yeah.
Is it like slimy?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Are you? Well, Omari, you finally got to see what is inside of your squishy toys.
Did you like what was inside?
Yeah.
Tell me all about it.
I can't shake it like that.
Tell me all about it.
I love it.
You loved it?
Yeah. I can wash my hands now.
You ready? What's that?
No, I never tasted it.
Hmm?
Take it out. Oh, it dropped some on my pants.
Oh no, Omari.
I have new pants.
Let's see. Oh, what you got going?
Out of there, out of there, nope, out of there, out of there, out of there, out of there, out of there.
Oh, the chef cooking tonight. Oh yeah. Look at this one. All she do. This all we do is YouTube. I mean, what's this? This all we do is TikTok. Jada, do you think you could live without TikTok?
No.
That's sad. That's sad.
Dad.
Well, YouTube.
Ready?
What?
Oh, God.
Hey, Mommy. I got wash your hands.
You gotta wash your hands? All right, go wash your hands, Omari. Jada, say what's up to YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
It's a Spider-Man squishy toy.
No, you don't have no more squishy toys, Papa. It's over. All right.
Look at this toy. All the toys in a little bucket.
Omari, it's no more squishy toys. Omari, no, it's no more.
I will show you.
You gonna show me what?
The squishy toy.
I don't think you have any more. What are you looking for? And what are you coming to help him for?
I know he got some more squishies.
You don't want to do nothing but what?
In a minute, in a little while.
TikTok.
Oh, Mommy, I have a
How was school
Look,
today, Jada?
Bye-bye, Batman.
See?
I told you, brother.
See, I told you.
You got another one?
School is good. I had a good day. Yeah.
You had a good day?
Yeah.
I
with my
love
friends.
it.
Yeah.
Did you learn a lot?
No, not really.
Oh,
Yeah.
No,
you
we
get
didn't really
scissors.
learn today.
How long you getting
Okay.
scissors?
It was just review because we have a test tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then we, in science, we watched each other's science fair projects, and then we had a test.
Mommy,
And
what
then,
was this
in
inside?
social studies, we just
Mommy,
learned about Roman Greek.
Mommy.
But yeah, it was good.
The life of a 6th grader, huh?
It's so
What,
hard.
Omari?
Like, it's way harder than 5th grade.
6th grade is harder than 5th grade, of course.
Mommy, now
Yeah.
please cut this for me.
You found another one?
Yeah,
All right, come on.
look inside.
Oh, wow. Let's see. Hold on.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
Oh,
I
wow.
can't make TikToks over there no more.
Ew!
How about?
Here, Jada.
Okay.
Your sister is back to help you.
It's clear.
Oh.
I think they're not meant to be cut open.
What's in that one?
What's inside of it? What is
Those
it?
are
Little
bats. Those are little bats.
Those little bats, Omari?
Let's get one out.
Ew!
They're little bats, brother.
Yeah. It's popping up.
Look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one more here.
What is that?
Slime!
Slime.
Ew! Hey,
No, don't splash it, please, brother.
that
Finish
was
with this one. You got those.
Put the scissors down. Buddy.
Please, thank you.
Did you like that one?
Yeah, and we got one more.
You got one more where?
I want to show them something.
You got another one?
Mommy.
Huh?
I want to show them something.
Hey,
Guys,
Daddy,
so I take tumbling
Hey,
lessons.
please show me another one.
Yeah, no. Every Wednesday, so I'm show y'all.
Oh, geez.
I don't think it's a war, brother.
Look out. I don't have one toe.
Whoa. Oh. God. Are you okay?
So I have to get Daddy. I was kicking over and trying to catch this. I'm gonna edit that out. But
Nope, no editing it out. No editing it out.
I have a.
What happened?
You fell on the thing. Come here, brother. Yeah, let me just see it. Let me look.
Are you okay, Omari?
You what? All right, let me see your lip. Push it up. Open it, lift it down. All right.
Is it okay?
Yep.
You feel better? Okay.
Back to me. I I have a chain mat outside. I might have to get my dad to clean it because it's been outside for like ever since summer. But you know, that was just a, you know, sometimes we make fails and we learn from our mistakes.
Oh, really?
I did it in chorus though. But yeah, guys, I also do chorus, and I have a chorus concert coming up next
What
week.
grade are you in, Jada?
That's it, brother. I don't see
Oh,
no
sixth
more.
grade.
I'm in 6th grade.
Okay.
But yeah, I have a chorus concert coming up next week.
All right.
Okay.
I'll be finished
Not
later,
next week,
okay?
but the week after.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm super
We gotta look for
excited because I
another
like
one.
to sing.
Are you all out of squishies? No more squishies?
yeah.
All right. We'll find some more to cut open. Okay.
I tried to make this store.
Yeah, let's take time.
Jada, can you literally find something else to do other than make TikToks?
Oh, man.
Omari, you showed them what was inside of your squishy toys, right?
Yeah.
Jada, you told them about your day at school and how you felt trying to do your back walkover.
Mommy, open
All right.
mine.
Okay, Omari, we're going to eat some real food, okay?
No, I want to eat some chicken. I want to eat chicken.
You want to eat rice with chicken?
Yeah, and with these Cheetos.
With the Cheetos? No, brother.
I want to put some sprinkles on the Cheetos.
You going to put sprinkles on it?
Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment down below to what other videos y'all would love to see us do. Thank y'all so much for watching, and bye.
Bye.
Bye.